Are you looking to take your business to the next level by personalizing your marketing strategy? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I will show you how to customize your Go High level settings and notifications to suit your business needs and create a streamlined experience. So, let's get started. Go High Level lets you stay informed about your leads and tasks by sending notifications. Head to your Go High Level dashboard and click on the Settings tab. Select My Profile from the left-hand menu. Under the Notifications section, choose which alerts you want to receive for new leads or completed tasks. Enable or disable email, SMS, or in-app notifications based on your preferences. Customizing notifications ensures you stay on top of your campaigns without feeling overwhelmed by unnecessary alerts. One of the most powerful features of Go High Level is the ability to create custom workflows. Go to the Automation tab, create new workflows, or tweak existing ones to automate your customer interactions and campaigns. Set triggers for specific actions based on customer behavior, ensuring personalized engagement at every touchpoint. And there you have it. Start your 30-day free trial with Go High Level today. Don't forget to schedule your kickoff call for a smooth onboarding experience. All the links you need are in the video description. Personalizing your Go High level settings and notifications can greatly improve your marketing performance by keeping you organized and focused on what truly matters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.